So, do you know those animals that make those weird noises that sound like a snake? These are it. This is the animal. Oh, the bug. This is what they look like. They hide in the ground for a long time. They make those annoying noises for like a month. And after that, 7 years later, their eggs hatch. Found another one. It's like a baby. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video.